Welcome. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find and scan a Telegram group QR code, updated for 2025. Whether you want to invite friends or join a group quickly, this guide will make the process simple and clear. Let's start by finding the QR code for your Telegram group. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main chat screen. Next, navigate to the group chat where you want to get the QR code. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list or using the search bar at the top. Once you're inside the group chat, look at the top of the screen. You'll see the group's picture or name. Tap on it. This opens the group's profile page where you can see information about the group and its members. Now, look for the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or the word edit. Tap on it to access the group's management settings. Here, you'll find several options to customize your group. Scroll down and tap on Invite Links. This is where all the group's invitation options are stored. You'll see a list of invitation links that you can share with others. To get the QR code, find the three dots next to the invite link. Tap on these dots, and a menu will appear. From the options, select Get QR Code. Instantly, Telegram will generate a QR code for your group's invite link. You can now share this QR code with anyone. They simply need to scan it with their device's camera or a QR code scanner in Telegram. Once scanned, the app will prompt them to join the group. No need to type or search for links. And that's it. You've successfully found and generated a Telegram group QR code. With just a few taps, inviting new members to your group has never been easier. Give it a try and enjoy seamless group management on Telegram.